Okay, Samantha. Okay, go ahead, sweetheart. Introduce your grandmother. Okay, go sit down.
This is her second day. She only has 2 more days left.
Not before that.
And where did she live, Samantha?
Somewhere I live.
I came from California and she did too.
I live in California. I live in a part of California that has snow.
Yeah, me too. I lived there. I lived there.
Yes, she did. And she calls me, you did too, she calls me Lottala. I'm her grandma, but she calls me Lottala because when she first learned to talk, she would do this. Before she could even talk, she would go, loddle, 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 loddle. And I'd be in the car, and I'd be in the front with her mommy, and I'd look back and I'd go, loddle, 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 loddle. And one day she came up to me and she started calling me Lottala. And so she knows that I'm her grandma, but she likes to call me Lottala. So her sisters call me Lottala, and her brother, and I've got a lot of my grandchildren call me Lottala. The other ones call me Grandma. So when you